Singing is very bad, so don't make me sing over again.
Let me share a personal anecdote. I came here on 17th December, and one of my first public visit to was to the Calm Center. There is this cultural center in in the walled city, Calm Centers, KALM. Anyway, so when I went there, I saw that there was this festival of Nagaland happening over there. I took my time out and visited that exhibition. I was there for around 2 hours. And let me tell you, I was ashamed of myself. I know a lot about the word, but nothing about a state which is a part of my country. The only thing I knew about Nagaland was Hornbill Festival, nothing else. So I was pretty embarrassed about this. Then, when I explored this country a little bit more, I realized that there is a lot of cultural similarity between Nagaland, Northeast, and North Thailand. So I decided to dedicate this Republic Day and the celebrations of it uh, for Nagaland, the state of Nagaland. And I am deeply humbled by the response I have received from the Naga people living over here. Mind you, these people uh, uh, are teachers over here. They are working social sector. They don't have a lot of resources. What they have is this community and brotherly feeling. And when I saw them practicing, they all are. None of them is a professional artist. When I saw them practicing, when I saw their enthusiasm, when I saw their brotherly spirit, I was deeply humbled because that is something that we should learn from them. Not everyone has these human emotions in them. So they are a harbinger and a kind of a guiding light for us to improve ourselves. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank them all for being my teachers in this aspect. Thank you very much.
So, could you please explain for someone who doesn't know anything about Nagaland what it is, what it means?
Nagaland is a small state in the northeast part of India, so bordering to a part from Myanmar and also bordering to China. One of the Christian state in India, Nagaland is. We have 17 major people group in Nagaland. 17, and we are so much diverse in our culture, in our food, in everything. We are so much diverse, and also in diverse, we also have the unity among us, among the Nagas, and we are very rich in our culture, and we are very rich in all our traditional costumes and even our food. We are very, very different from the rest part of India. I should say, even our looks, our food, everything. We are very different from the rest of the Indian community in India. God put us there with a different looks, with a different identity, and we are honored and we are happy to say that we are Indians. We just want to thank God that how God created us in that way. Everybody should come to visit Nagaland. It's a beautiful place. People say it's a Switzerland of India, Nagaland. It's a very small but very beautiful people who love natures. And also we used to have a big festival. The festival, we call it the festivals of festival that happens every year from December 1 to 10. If you have a plan and wish to visit Nagaland, that's the best season of the year to go and enjoy the different diversities of Naga cultures and food. Because of the similarities in our culture with the Thais, especially with the northern Thai people, our dresses, our culture, we have kind of a similarities. I think that makes us connect with the Thai people here in Thailand. Thank you, Savadikap and Gugnale.
Oh,
oh, oh, hey, oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 hey, oh,
Anoniloge niye başımına
oh, oh, hey,
mola.
oh,
Ani haluge
oh, oh, hey, oh,
Ani haluge niye başımına
oh, oh, hey,
mola.
oh,
Ani lombini
oh, hey, oh,
Ani lombini niye başımına mola.
oh, hey, oh, 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 hey, oh.